and students. Good morning and welcome everyone. We are here today to talk about the Erasmus Days. The Erasmus Days are a way for us, Europeans and countries over the world, to share our culture, to remind us that we are all European citizens.
We may not all have the same opinions, but we all share common values and common ideas. Free speech, equality, respect and diversity. We feel connected to one another like one big European team. These key values will be central to what we are trying to initiate over the next few days.
We will also be talking about healthy computing. That is how computing can enable and enhance team building between young people in different countries in Europe, whilst flagging up the dangers inherent of computing and social media for children and teenagers.
What are the advantages of computing and Erasmus? The last few years have shown us that one of the key ways of connecting people has been thanks to social media, because we can share different expressions and meet people. We can make friends with people in the high school and lycée in Europe and easily communicate.
Several Erasmus projects, such as Erasmus Virtual Exchange, enable young people in Europe to engage in meaningful intercultural experiences online regularly, with banners and partner virtual meetings as part of their education. More than 84 countries are taking part in this international celebration of multiculturalism and mobility. We are part of that today.
What are the disadvantages of computing? So, as we can see, there are several advantages to computing in our day and age. However, it can be dangerous as well. Children and teenagers in Europe and all over the world have been victims of cyberbullying. Several recent studies show that social media and cyberbullying can cause depression and low self-esteem.
Whilst some can take and leave computers and devices, easily switching them off and putting them aside, for others, computers and devices create unhealthy attachments and create huge emotional responses. 35% of children and young people said screen time had a negative impact on their mood and mental health. 18% of children and young people said screen time had a negative impact on their family time and schoolwork.
So we can ask ourselves what's the best of both worlds. Screens have a place in society, and we cannot escape the fact that we need to be able to access, engage and utilize them in order to move forward, make friends in Europe, help us with our studies and later with our careers.
However, we do need balance in order to be able to enjoy the advantages, yet not to suffer from the disadvantages. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoy being part of such a wonderful international celebration today. We hope you have a great day.